Hi, I'm Manya Dixit and I'm from Delhi. I did my schooling from Manasari School and then my digital marketing course from Digital Vidya.
Great, great.
Actually, I got it referred from my sister's friend who did her course as well from Digital Vidya. And she said that it is a nice course and it will be really easy. The journey is going to be really easy. And then I got to know that she is being posted to a very great company by Digital Vidya. So yeah. I am right now at Ad 99 India as a digital marketing intern. And before, Digital Vidya has also placed into another company, and that was great as well. So when I joined Digital Vidya, I was a student and a complete fresher, having no idea on how to create your CV or how your resume should be. So had my I had Deepak Sir from my placement team and he helped me a lot with the resume building. He sent me samples on how I should build my resume and everything. And after that, he just kept pinging me that where is your resume? Did you make the changes? I mean, he was really concerned towards me and getting me a good job, a good internship. Yes, I did. And I'll be really honest, that helped me so much because sometimes when you're just practicing for an interview, you're just thinking that the interviewer is going to ask you really difficult questions or something, but there are just some basic things and basic points that a person might miss. And in that mock interview, I realized that I missed those things. And my interview was taken, and I was told to answer some basic questions